Hey, kiddos. This message is for the seniors. There have been an awful lot of changes over the last couple of days, and I just wanted to acknowledge them and say that I'm so grateful for the sacrifice that you're being asked to make to keep us all safe. Thank you very much. I also wanted to say that we as staff are going to work our rears off to make sure that you're adequately celebrated, and I'm really holding out hope that we can have an in-person graduation ceremony sometime over the summer. It's been an honor having you guys as students. I'm sure you've read some guidance from PPS and from Miss Chapman saying that the state has said that if you've got a passing grade in your classes, you're essentially graduated. And I want you to know that I love having you in my classes. You're absolutely welcome in my classes, and I plan to keep on teaching you guys as long as you keep showing up. So let's keep studying physics. This is an incredible opportunity to learn for the sake of learning and staying connected in this time where there's so much uncertainty and change. I'd like to offer you something that's constant for you. So I hope I see you guys next week in class. Please don't hesitate to email celebrations, questions, anything that you have, and show up to the flex period or to class and say hi and learn some physics. All right, I'll see you guys later, and stay safe.